Hello everyone, so now that the heads are ported and polished, it's time to clean them to prepare them for lapping and to get them the new valve springs. So I bought some stuff, but we'll show you that in a second. But now we need to clean them, and the best way to clean these heads is going to be with oven cleaner. That's how easy and nice it works. I mean, that's what we're going to use. So I gotta get them outside. So I figured, you can look at all the crap as I walk around because it's cleaning day. I need to clean the garage. Everything's in the way. LS heads are light until you gotta carry them that far with one finger. Okie dokie day. Some over here in the hay for now. Go get the other one. The times when you need 3 hands or like a body mounted camera. There's the other one. Grab it here. Oh yeah. I'd like to know how much these things weigh. I need to get a scale in here. I'd say one head weighs, I don't know, 10-15 pounds. Versus the steel heads that are like 70. Alright. Heads are out. It's my niece and her garbage music. See, there's a piece of plexi over here somewhere. Was, anyway. There it is. Use this piece of plexi over here to set the heads on while I clean it. No point in sitting them in the dirt. Oh, okie dokie. Okay. All of the valve seats are already out of these, I believe. Uh-oh, thunder rolling. Check this one, yep. All the valve seats are out of them. So now, the best friend ever. Cheap dollar store brand, well, Dollar General brand, oven cleaner. Shake the bejesus out of it. I think it needs like a 3-minute shake. Directions. Shake can well, yeah. It's like 5 minutes. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. Now let's spray off the oven cleaner. I believe the stuff I'm getting ready to use is actually just muriatic acid in a bottle. But I used it on rims just to test before this, and it's killer. Right here. Napa aluminum brightener. I'm pretty sure this is nothing more than muriatic acid. I'm gonna bring these in before it starts hurricaning on us. Let them dry really, really good. show you the results. So the heads are dry now. It's been about an hour or so. Well, they're dry for the most part. And I am surprised on the results. Let's take a look. That's right. They are nice again. They're nice and bright. They're not a dingy silver. Let me see where if I can find something. Ah, yes. Valve covers. There you go. See the difference now? These are gray. These are clean, by the way. These actually have polished already before and just haven't used them, so you can see the difference. Sucked all the oils and contaminants out of it, and they look great. They're pretty much ready to go on now. Well, not go on, but I gotta put new seats in, which is what I'm getting ready to do here in a second. After I clean that out a little bit. Put the seats in, then I'm going to start lapping valves. Cleaning valves, then lapping valves. And those will be ready. Ready for valve springs. Bolt's yellow. I guarantee you that stuff's probably muriatic acid. Sorry, I just ate. Got them burps. But yeah, nice and white. A lot better than they were before that nasty dingy gray. So these are ready to start building. Didn't hurt the ports. Everything's still good. The polish is still on the exhaust side. Those are all nice and polished still. I've seen a little rust in there. I try to see if I can't get something to clean them out a little bit. But now I'm gonna get my parts box over there and get the new valve seats. Start cleaning them up, oiling them up, put them on.